Okay. So today let's start with the business partner settings. We can call as a business partner settings, otherwise customer master basic settings. Okay. So customer master के basic settings of the configurations. So pre-configurations के लिए what you have to do? You have to go to the first FI financial accounting. So go to SAP IMG financial accounting, then account receivable, accounts payable, customer account, master data, preparations for creating customer master data, and define account group with screen layout. And this is for customer. So same way we have for vendor also, but for SD it is you have to go to the customer, and for MM you have to select for vendor. Okay. So now execute, define account groups. Account groups. Under here, account groups, we can define a separate groups of customers. Okay, type of customers. You might have a one-time customer, or you might have a frequent customer. You might have a domestic customer or international customer. Or it is like have a different types of customer. Sold to party, bill to party, payer, competitor, prospective customers, distributor, so wholesaler customers, retail customers. So these are the list of customers group you have been prepared. Okay. अभी suppose domestic customer है, so under domestic customer you will have the list of all customers. For that you made as one group as a domestic. Like same way, if it is foreign customers, then you'll making as a group as one group foreign customer. Okay, now let's create our own the new customer group. Okay,
Okay.
new entries. What is our company code?
Our company code is NIS1.
Customer account group for NIS1. Okay. NIS1. Now we'll give us something similar to NI. Okay. Yes. C. Okay. As a customer. Okay. Now if you have a one-time customer, say example, if you're maintaining only one, the customer is only one time, and then he'll not be again he'll not be a say no, frequent customer. So that time you can select as a one-time customer. Okay, and same way, like suppose field status, the different field types of field status are there: general, company code, and sales data. अब ये डेटा मास्टर डेटा में दिखेगा आपको, कहाँ पे दिखता है? When I create the master data, I will show you. This will you'll get familiar when you create the master data. So this is general data. Under that general data, these are the multiple tabs you'll find. Under basic data, you will have these fields, basic data, and again you'll have address data. So in address data, you'll find this all this data entries. So what you have to do? Suppose if you wanted to be required mandatory, then you have to select as a required. If it is suppressed, that means you have to the field will get hide. Suppress means the field will get hide. Okay, and optional, that means either you can give or not. Suppose there is street, whether you can give or not. So that kind of settings you can make it here. And display. Display is what you can see here. These are the display fields. You can't do anything, right? It will be just view. You cannot edit. You cannot change. So that these are the display informations. So like this you can make as a display. So these are the four settings are there. in the field status. So normally we are not doing anything here as of now. Okay. So now create our uh, account group. Just give the description and the account group name and save it. Okay. So account group you have created here. NISC. Now after that you have to go to this. For this group you have to define the number ranges. That is called as a create number ranges for customer accounts. Okay.
Number ranges for account group.
Ah, this is this account group, but here it is maintained as the customer accounts. Okay, so you have a customer 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, numbers will be defined here. Now create number ranges for customer accounts. Execute. Go to uh, change intervals. One you can go for change intervals here. This is display intervals, and this is for change number range status. So this display intervals is just like you can view here. You cannot do anything. You cannot edit. You cannot delete. You cannot create it. So if you go back, this is the change interval where you can create, where you can change everything you can do. Okay. So so if you see here, this is in the display mode and this is in edit mode. And this is in the edit mode, you can change it directly here, any number. Now same way, if you go back, if you click here, number in status, so now this will get changed. Okay. So now these are the number ranges which has been created already by someone, and these are the number ranges intervals. So that means for this particular number range, this sequence number will start from 34000512 till 100. Okay. And this from 51 to 55, it is already some customers been created. That means 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. That means 5 customers been created in master data. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So so these number ranges are internal number ranges which you have given here. And if you have one optional, one more is there, external number range. What is different between internal and external? Internal will system will define, external user will define. Example, if internal means this is automatically will created the number 1, 2, 3 sequence. And this is external, what will happen? We user has to define, we have to give a own. Suppose we can give alphanumerical, our own characters, we can give our name and then we can create at the time of master data. So this master data when you're creating, you'll come to know what is this number in this. Okay. So now, and there is here one more, it is called overview. Okay. Overview. This is what change document. These are the document has been posted for this number in this money. This many documents have been posted. Okay. Go to overview. Now, if you go to overview, you can see here all list. What are the number ranges is being created. So we have to create our new. अभी new create करने के लिए we have to see the available number range. Any now available. If it's already 14, we cannot create. If it is 15, we cannot create. One we have to see number range and then again intervals. Available intervals. अब यहाँ पे कोई भी एक intervals numbers देख लो. Suppose you can make it as a so you can sort this. You can sort this. So now, if you see here, some available number range will be there. 49, 500. 400 पूरे सारे कंटिन्यूसली क्रिएटेड है। कंटिन्यूसली क्रिएटेड है। Okay. Now what you can do, you can reduce this LX. Somebody has used till 80000। अभी इसको क्या करेंगे, थोड़ा रिड्यूस करेंगे LX का, और विल टेक एज अ कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम दिस नंबर रेंज। कॉपी LX, go back, change intervals, go to change, okay, LX था ना,
LX.
LX। अब इसको थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर देंगे नंबर। व्हाट वी कैन डू, विल मेक इट एज अ 100, 0, 0। Now same number will create from there. Uh, go to go to insert line. See, one is you can search for manually here, and there is one more option here, free intervals. You can select from here also. If you go here, see free intervals. Now you will find here only some free intervals determined, non-numerical intervals. See, these are the intervals is available. Now we have Alex, where is it? 712100, right? So now see, it is 712101. It started here from the next available number. 712100, it's used till here. Then after that, it is unused numbers it's showing here. Clear?
Okay.
So now what we'll do, we'll give our own number something as a n, and we'll give something as a I, what, ni, enter.
NI is our number range.
Number range.
Okay.
Okay. Ni, it is showing already exist.
Well,
It is already exist. So now we'll give something as a n, n1, n1. Okay, n1. Now see here. Now this is the number range intervals starts from, and if you want to reduce it, we can reduce it here. Suppose and we can keep it as still 200. Okay, so 200 customers we can create. Sorry, 100 customers we can create now. Okay, so it will be like 101, 102, 3, 4, like this till we can create till 200. Clear? Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Save. Enter. Now we have created this account group number ranges. Now we have to assign this group and the number ranges. So go to assign number ranges to customer account groups. Give our account group here N N
SC.
NISC,
C.
and the number ranges is our N1.
N1.
Save it. That's it. So this is one part is over from FI here. Okay. FI end is over. So now close this FI. This one is business partner in cross application components. Okay. So next you have to define the number ranges for business partner grouping. Business partner grouping. Now you have to go for SAP IMG reference, cross application components, SAP business partner, basic settings, number ranges and grouping. Define number ranges. Previously, what we did, we create group and then number ranges and then assign. But here it is number ranges first, then we have directly group as to create and then immediately need to be assigned. Okay, execute. So same way, this is for business partner. If you want to see display here, change number range status. If you want to see overview, you can see here also. If you want to directly create, you can go for here, available number, 3 intervals. So this is the 3 intervals. Okay. Now, give as a number something as a, we'll give the same number. What a number we give in there? 1712101. See such,
Zero.
if you find that, we can give as the same number range. Otherwise you can give other number range. We have to search for here. 71201. The same number range we can give here. We can reduce this number and then we can give for TP. Okay. For TP. Go for change interval. Yeah. Number range and reduce till here 100. Now go for this number. Say, see, you can find your number, and now you can give as the same number range if you want. N1, or else you can give as a P, business partner. Okay, to just to understand. NB, enter. Select this and enter. Now NB is created here. Okay. Now what you can do, you can keep as it is, or else if you want, you can change this number. 2. I'm just keeping as the same number range for the customer account group and the business partner. Save it. Clear?
Business partner and customer are both are different, sir.
Different. It is different. But what is, see,
It is.
now in HANA, it is what they made. The business partner they created in previously in ECC, business partner was different. It was not synced with account receivable and accounts payable. But now in HANA, business partner is synced here, and they have created as a business partner as a one, as a common general platform, and along with that you can link with the different types of partner. Like if your business partner could be a vendor, it could be a customer, or it can be a employee, or it can be any other partner. So so for that, You have to create a first business partner, and then you have to assign whether he is a customer or whether he is a vendor or what type of it. Okay.
Okay.
So now created business partner. Go back and we define grouping and assign number ranges. Execute. Go to position. Sorry, position we are not created here. Correct? We are not created anything here by n. So go to new entries. Go to new entries. Give your NI yes business partner. NIS B business partner. And then here business partner NIS 1. Business partner NIS 1. And the number range will be our NB.
B.
Okay. Save it. Back. So here created number ranges and then we have grouped the number ranges. Sorry, business partner to number ranges we have link. Now coming to business partner roles. See, these are the already partner roles are there. It's already defined. You can check if you want what type of business partner roles. Okay. Now suppose there's a already standard business partner is there. If it is creating vendor, if that will be a FLVN01, and if it is customer, it will be a FL FLCU CU00 is for finance company code customer, and this is for sales customer. Okay, under that there's a configurations are there. Configurations are there. These already standards are there, so no need to create here. Okay, if you want, you can just view, that's it, but don't change anything. Okay, BP views, BP role categories, and then role categories. In role category, it is what all it is created. So whether it is organization purpose or person or group, what type of categories, that all settings you can done here. Okay, you can view for your knowledge purpose, but nothing has to do here. Okay, so business partner roles grouping, and then same way categories and business partner types. Business partner types. What type of business partners it is? Is it employee or agent, stakeholders? Different types of business partners you can assign here. And field grouping. If under that, if you want to make any fields changes. Example, if you go for BP roles under categories, these are the BP roles. Under that, you'll have the same kind of field settings, whether to hide, required, optional, display, what type of it is. Okay, now if it is address, see the address in this something area code, it is been hide. And same way, optional, it has been made for a country. So additional data, information data, company code data. Under company code data, these are the, for just information purpose, you can see these things. Okay, these configurations are not required for this. So only number range and the grouping number ranges. And now come to master data synchronization. Under master data synchronization, customer vendor international integration, business partner settings, settings for customer integration, and then field assignment for customer integration, assign key, and then define number assignment for direction VP to customers. This you have to maintain. Go to here. So this is our grouping and this is our customer account group. And this we have to link it. So we have created customer group, account group is different, business partner grouping is different. So here we have to link it. Okay. So here one more is there. If you want the number ranges, if you want the number ranges to be same, okay. So then you have to select this. If you want the number ranges to be flexible, then you can select this, either one of this. If you don't want, you can uncheck this both and you can just create also. So we'll just create new entries. Go for a NIS B NIS C customer account group. Assign it. And if you want the same number ranges, you can select here. Okay. Number ranges for account group has not been defined externally. And for that, we have to define as a externally. That means we have to check that box, external checkbox. So not required as of now. So you can just save it. So I'm just either you can check this flexible or else uncheck also. We can do. Now this much configuration is required for a to create a customer. Now we have to create a customer. Okay. So this customer I'll show you tomorrow. Okay.
हेलो।
हेलो।
हाँ सर, मुझे अभी अकाउंट ग्रुप क्रिएट करना है। उसके
ओके।
बाद में
ये
अकाउंट
स्क्रीन
ग्रुप के लिए
स्क्रीन
नंबर रजिस्टर तैयार करना है।
स्क्रीन ये हो गया क्या? रिकॉर्डिंग जो था,
हाँ, स्क्रीन चला गया सर।
स्क्रीन गया क्या?
हाँ हाँ सर।
ओके ओके। नहीं, रिकॉर्डिंग था ना, वो तो सेव करना था। किधर गया? ओके। हाँ, आ गया। हाँ, कुछ बोल रहे थे आप?